red, white, blue jumbo. And here comes a Cessna. Right there. Some sick child bastard. Back of the Cessna has a yellow or a blue or black tail. He's revving his engine. 2 years of this shit. And they keep having fucking terrorist attacks anytime something happens. The only way anything does happen is in a court of law. Everyone knows, but they have to have 14 different kinds of evidence all overlapping back and forth. And if I don't record it with my piece of shit phone, nothing fucking happened. I'm a civilian. They don't give a shit about humans, and they're humans. Oh, so they're elite. That means that they are far beyond everyone else intellectually and all other qualities of spirit. You would think. I haven't seen one smart one out of all of them. They're all fucking stupid. I've experienced everything they've done. The only thing they can rely on is their power, their position, because they're all fucking inept. It's not a coincidence that there was a fake terrorist attack, an intel psycho sick fuck attack at the concert where my brother was. He's just not a dumbass, so they didn't fucking hit him.